With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So given below are the frequency distribution of wages of 30 workers in a certain factory. So from rupees 1110 to 130 there are 3. Similarly 130 to 150 there are 4 workers. Similarly 150 to 170 there are 5 workers. And similarly we have 170 to 190 we have 6 workers. Similarly from 190 to 210 we have 5 workers, and from 210 to 230 we have 4 workers, and from 230 to 250 there are 3 workers. So we have to find the probability that the worker is selected at random has his wage less than 150. Second part is at least 210 and more than or equal to 150 but less than 210. So we have the frequency distribution as from 110 to 130 there are 3 workers. Similarly from 130 to 150 there are 4 workers. From 150 to 170 there are 5 workers, and from 170 to 190 there are 6 workers, and from 190 to 210 there are 5 workers, and from 210 to 230 there are 4 workers. Similarly from 230 to 250 there are 3 workers. So this is number of workers and these are the wages in rupees. So we have to find the probability. So probability will be equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. So we have total outcomes as we have total 30 workers. So the total outcomes will be 30. So first part is we have to find the probability that the worker has wage less than 150 rupees. So we will include these two cases because here wage is less than 150. So we will not include this case because here wage is between 150. That means greater than 150 or equal to 150. So we will include from 110 to 130, and that means 130 to 150. Here wages are less than 150. So we have total 3 plus 4 workers here, and we have total 30 workers working. So the probability is number of favorable outcomes. So favorable outcomes will be 3 plus 4 and the total number of outcomes will be 30. From in this section 3 exists, in this section 4 exists, so we have added. So we have the probability as 3 plus 4 is 7 upon 30. Second part is we have to find the probability that the worker has his wage at least 210 rupees. So we have favorable cases will be equal to at least 210. Here means the worker has his wage minimum 210. So minimum 210. So we will include these two cases because here wages are minimum 210. So we will include case as from 210 to 230, and we will take from 230 to 250. So from 210 to 230 there are 4, and from 230 to 250 there are 5 workers. So in this range there are 4 workers, and in this range there are 3 workers. So the probability will be number of favorable outcomes. So favorable outcomes will be 4 plus 3 upon we have total number of outcomes as we have total 30 workers. So the probability will be equal to 7 upon 30. And third part is we have to find the probability that the worker has his wage more than or equal to 150 but less than 210 rupees. So this statement means more than and equal to 150 means the worker should has his wage more than 150 or equal to 150 but should be less than 210. So in this we have favorable outcomes will be, we will include more than or equal to 150, we have 150 to 170 plus 170 to 190 case plus we have from 190 to 210 case, because should be less than 210. So we have workers that from 150 to 170 there are 5 workers, from 170 to 190 there are 6 workers, and from 190 to 210 there are 5 workers. So we have total in this range 5 workers fall, in this range 6 workers fall, and in this range 5 workers fall. So probability that the worker's wage is more than or equal to 150 but should be less than 210 rupees is equal to, we have number of favorable outcomes as we have if his wage fall in 150 to 170, from 170 to 190, and from 190 to 210. So we have total 5 plus 6 plus 5 workers which fall in this range, and we have total 30 workers, so total 30 outcomes. So 5 plus 5 is 10 and 10 plus 6 is 16 upon 30. So 2 15s are and 2 8s are. So probability will be equal to 8 upon 15. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.